Hello guys, welcome to Kids Can Cook Kitchen, and my name is Chef Meshack. Today we are going to be making bhajia. To start off, we are going to make some butter, and we are using garam flour. On a separate bowl, we pour in our garam flour and we have water. So we just need to stir our butter to get a thick consistency. Reason why we should make a thick consistency, so that when we dip in our sliced potatoes in the butter, it can coat on every side evenly. So just to stir in water in our butter. So some might ask what garam flour is made of, and garam flour is simply chickpea that has been finely grounded. Okay, so I would like in the comment section mtuambie chickpea ni nini kwa lugha ya nyumbani. Okay, so our butter is getting ready, and then we are going to have our potatoes and start dipping them on our butter as we deep fry them. Once our butter is ready and set, we are now going to add a little taste on our butter, and with the help of our cilantro or dania, I'm going to finely chop so you need to chop your cilantro very fine, so that once you mix it in the butter, it can combine well without having big chunks. So our dania needs to be finely chopped. We're just going to add a bit on our butter, and the rest will be used in garnishing our bhajias once they are finely cooked. On the next, we are going to heat our oil, and then we start cooking our bhajias. Now on to the next step, we are now going to deep fry our bhajias. And one thing, you need to let your oil to be hot in a way that you see smoke coming out of it. That's when you know the oil is smoking hot. So we dip our bhajias on our sauce, on our butter. So we make sure it is evenly covered, and we do this step one by one. For you to get nice and crispy bhajia, you need to coat them one by one. So I will do this for our entire bhajia, and once you dip them in the oil, just give them humble time. You don't need to keep on stirring, just let it cook until it's crispy and well done. So some of us like having their dishes when they are spicy. So when you are a spicy person, when making the butter, it's when you can add in the flavors you like. If you like them hot, just do them as you like. So you just dip them. So also another reason why we use the garam flour, it's because it has a color. So it helps give our bhajias a nice color, and also it tastes better. So you keep on checking your heat. It doesn't need to be too high nor too low, just a medium amount of heat, so that your bhajias cannot get burned. So I'll keep on immersing them. Some might ask where we can get the garam flour at. So in your nearest shops or supermarkets, you can just walk in and on the counter, just check and see if you will get some garam flour. So our bhajias are getting fried well here. They are cooking pretty well. So we give them about 3 to 5 minutes and they will be done. So our bhajias are almost getting ready, and remember, this is Kids Can Cook Kitchen, and we are always here to serve you guys. So don't let your kids get bored when they are in a holiday break. You can just reach us out through Kids Can Cook Kitchen in the social media handles, and we can help entertain your kids by having hands-on section and more practical cookery sections. Okay, if you also need to watch more videos, you can watch on YouTube Kids Can Cook Kitchen. We do marvelous in cooking. So our bhajias are done. What you need from the bhajia is a nice color and a crispy taste. So as you can see, they are well browned. And as they look, they are appealing. So here we have some nice crispy bhajia. On the side we have some sauce for accompaniment, and I hope you're going to like this. Okay, now it's about time to test the work of our hands. So I'm going to dip it in some sauce, and you can feel how crunchy it is, well seasoned, and the accompaniment, the sauce, just goes pretty well. So this bhajia can accompany snacks like sausages. You can have it with some delights like mocktails and sorts of juices. It can really go really well. So from Kids Can Cook Kitchen, that was amazing, and we'll meet you next time. Bye.